Hello. The Maryland courts will provide reasonable accommodations, including American Sign Language interpreters. These services are available for both scheduled court events and everyday visits to the court. In this video, you will learn how to request an American Sign Language interpreter and other accommodations. Let's get started. Any person with a disability who has business in a Maryland court may request an accommodation. This includes the help of an American Sign Language interpreter. Persons who may request an accommodation include litigants, lawyers, defendants, witnesses, potential jurors, and other members of the public using court services. To request an accommodation for a scheduled court hearing or event, fill out and submit the form, Request for Accommodation for Person with Disability. This is form number CC-DC049. When completing the form, be specific about what kind of accommodation you need. For instance, specify on the form if you are requesting an ASL interpreter, CDI, or CART. You can get the form from either the court's website or by picking up a copy from the clerk's office at any Maryland court. If possible, complete and submit the form at least 30 days before a scheduled court hearing. To submit the form, turn in a copy to the clerk's office in the courthouse where your court event is scheduled. You can also turn in a copy of the form by mail. The court will notify you by mail or phone if the request was granted. If you are requesting an accommodation or interpreter for jury duty, instead call the jury office. The number to the jury office will be on your jury summons. You can also view a list of jury offices and numbers at mdcourts.gov/jury-service/jury offices. Now let's discuss where to get help with the form. If a lawyer is representing you, your lawyer can help you complete the form. If your case is a civil case and you are not already represented by a lawyer, you may get help with the form at a court help center. Call 410-260-1392 or go online to mdcourts.gov/help center for a list of locations. You may also ask a friend or family member to assist you in completing the form. Court staff at the clerk's office can answer general questions about the form. Each court has an ADA field coordinator you may speak to about accommodations. Now, let's discuss accommodations for visits to the courthouse other than scheduled hearings or court events. For example, you may need an interpreter when you come to the clerk's office to file paperwork. The court can provide on-demand interpretation for American Sign Language. Let a court employee know you use ASL. They will arrange for an ASL interpreter to help you by remote video conferencing. Other reasonable accommodations for unscheduled visits are also available. Call the courthouse in advance of your visit. Ask to speak with the ADA field coordinator to request accommodations. Let's review what you have learned. Accommodations, including American Sign Language interpreters, are available at all Maryland courts. For a court hearing or event, request an American Sign Language interpreter by filling out and submitting the required form. Use the same form to request any other reasonable accommodation that you need. If possible, submit the form at least 30 days before your scheduled hearing or court event. ASL interpretation is also available by video conference anytime at the clerk's offices. More information about accommodations in the Maryland courts is available online. Go to mdcourts.gov/legalhelp/accommodations or call the courthouse. Thanks for watching.